Yo, 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 yo. So, I'm gonna talk about something right quick. Alright, so this topic is car guns. Now, this is a car gun for me. Yes, cheap attachments and shit is on this gun. Optics, front sights, and cheap little flashlight. And yes, the reason why I have all this cheap crap on here that I got plenty of other ARs, but they got better stuff on equipped on them. The reason I put this stuff on here is because it's just a car gun. Like, if someone breaks in my car, well, first of all, you be making a mistake breaking into my car. But if somehow I'm out and about and you get into my car somehow, I don't have a lot of expensive attachments and stuff on here. So if they steal this, you get a cheap ass AR. Now, it's a reliable AR. I will admit that. This has been tested in the range and stuff. It's reliable. Only thing is cheap on it is the attachments. Yeah, so I wouldn't make my my 300 Blackout a car gun because I have expensive attachments on that gun, and I don't want that to be, if the car ever been stolen or something, you got all my good stuff. This is just some stuff I slapped together just in case I need, in this case I need to pull this out, which God forbid I don't, but you never know. It's enough to get the job done. Like I said, it's no high-end attachments on this. This is just pretty much stock and cheap stuff. I will admit that. Yeah. So, you take my stuff. Like I said, if you walk away from that, hey, good luck with that. But if this gets stolen, I don't have high-end shit on here. It's just, I don't have to sweat about this. This is just stuff that can easily be replaced, and I don't have to worry that much. So I would say, if you're gonna have a car gun, I wouldn't put my most expensive things on there, or have an expensive ass gun as a car gun. This, honestly, if you got multiple guns, just put the one you know is reliable, but you know what you have on it for the basic stuff to get the job done. Use that as a car gun. Like this, yeah, I know I'm gonna get shit about that light too, but this, now I custom built this slide, and this is a dagger lower, a custom painted lower. So I pretty much put my time and work into this. This optics I had for years, and I don't want to get rid of that. But like something sentimental like this to me, I wouldn't make this a car gun, because like I said, I built this. I mean, I built this AR too, but it's like, I don't know. It's just like this. It's easily replaced. This is just something about it. Like, I wouldn't want to make this a car gun. This, I have no problem making this a car gun, because I got like fucking 5 or 6 of these motherfuckers. Like I said, it's just typical things on here, typical stuff. Little cheap ass Amazon light on there, but hey, it lights up a room. I ain't gonna lie, it does the job what I needed to do. Its stock is all scratched up, so I mean, not stock. This buffer tube was all scratched up, so as you can see, it had got jammed up on there when I was trying to get it off. So yeah, that's what I said. This makes a good car gun. Throw it in the bag, lock it up in the hidden compartment in the car. Car gun. As far as handguns, I decided to go with is a G3C for a car gun, which is nothing wrong with it. A G3C is good. Still a good gun till this day. It's a damn good gun in my eyes. But you know, I have a G2C, a GX4, but all those guns that I have, well, except for the G2C, but the GX4, they all have like optics and stuff on there and stuff that's custom that I don't want to lose on that. But the G3C, I just pretty much have that basic in stock. So that's a car gun. G2C is basic in stock, but I wanted to have a step up. Like, this is practically the same gun, but I don't know. I just felt like G3C it would be a good car gun than a G2C. So I know I'm probably gonna get some backlash about that. You should never make your car gun this and that, but I'm like, why put all your expensive shit on your car? I mean, your gun for a car gun. If somehow they take your shit, breaking your shit and take your shit, they got all your good shit. Your car gun shouldn't have all that equipment and shit on there. Your car gun should only have the basic shit that you need on it to get shit done. Like, for real, like your car gun damn show shouldn't have no high-end optics on there, no high-end flashlight, binary trigger and all that. Nah, that's not good to have for a car gun. Like I said, if they take you breaking your shit somehow and get your shit, if you in a parking lot or something and somebody steal your car, they got all your good shit. And you will be pissed off because they got your good shit. If those take this shit, I'll be pissed off still. Like, fuck, they took my gun. I mean, after you report it and all that, but this is the principle. Like, damn, they took my good shit. This is like, all right, well, fuck, I'm pissed off, but hey, I can always replace this shit with ease because of the shit they took. I mean, they ain't really took nothing but the gun. Like, all attachments, I can give a fuck else about what's on here. My main concern will be the gun, not the attachments. Now, my other guns, I'll be mad they took the gun, the attachments, everything I added on to it, all the custom work I put into it. Nah. If you're going to have a car gun, make it the basic one. That's all I'm saying. All right.